sister.
Okay.
So for like that,
Nice.
I'll
Yeah.
not to more, little bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is my card. What if you want to any question, but you can call to any number, right? So this is my card,
Okay.
and so this is the Holy Bible, right? This is the Holy Bible, but the God is coming soon. So the poet, because the God is coming soon, right? But when we have the time, we can read the Bible and we can pray, and they have to open the heart. Now God can open the heart, and they have to do something about the truth or something about the body, something about like that, right? The people. And when you read the Bible, they have to do something about that. Okay? So thank you so much, my sister. So this is the Holy Bible. Okay? Yeah, okay? God bless you.
God bless you.
Okay, so my name is Pastor Nanda. Your name?
Nina.
Nina.
Yes.
So can you tell something about the
Yeah.
person?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, God bless you.
God
God bless
bless.
you. Okay, thank you. Bye.